Your home in Mandeville, Louisiana, is a reflection of your style, comfort, and investment. As a homeowner, ensuring that your home is both aesthetically appealing and energy efficient is key to creating a comfortable and sustainable living environment. One of the most effective ways to improve both the functionality and appearance of your home is by upgrading your windows. Whether you're looking to enhance curb appeal, increase energy efficiency, or improve comfort, window upgrades can have a significant positive impact. Here are several reasons why Mandeville homeowners should consider upgrading their windows. Improved energy efficiency. Mandeville's climate can be a mix of humid summers and cooler winters, making it important to have windows that can effectively regulate indoor temperatures. Older windows, particularly single-pane ones, often allow air to escape and outside air to infiltrate your home. This leads to higher energy usage and increased utility bills, as your heating and cooling systems must work harder to maintain a comfortable indoor temperature. Upgrading to modern, energy-efficient windows can dramatically improve your home's insulation. Double or triple pane windows, often filled with gases like argon or krypton, create a barrier that significantly reduces heat transfer. With energy-efficient windows, your home stays warmer in the winter and cooler in the summer, lowering your heating and cooling costs. As a result, you'll enjoy a more comfortable living environment while saving money on your monthly energy bills. Increased comfort and reduced drafts. One of the most immediate benefits of upgrading your windows is the increased comfort it brings to your home. Older, inefficient windows can be drafty, allowing cold air to seep in during winter and warm air to escape in summer. This can lead to uncomfortable temperature fluctuations throughout your home, especially near windows and doors. By replacing your windows with high-quality, energy-efficient models, you'll eliminate drafts and create a more consistent indoor temperature. With better insulation and a tighter seal, you'll experience fewer cold spots in the winter and less heat entering your home during the warmer months. The result is a more comfortable living space for you and your family, no matter the season. Enhanced curb appeal and home value. Your windows play a significant role in your home's curb appeal. Old, worn-out windows can detract from the overall appearance of your property, while new, updated windows can completely transform the look of your home. Whether you're upgrading the windows to enhance your current aesthetic or preparing to sell your home, investing in window upgrades can pay off in increased value and visual appeal. Modern windows come in a wide variety of styles, from sleek and contemporary to more traditional designs. With options like bay, bow, casement, and double-hung windows, you can choose windows that complement your home's architecture and bring a fresh, modern look to the exterior. Not only will new windows improve your home's appearance, but they can also increase its market value, which is especially important if you plan on selling in the near future. Better noise reduction. If you live in a busy neighborhood or near a busy street in Mandeville, noise can often be a concern. Whether it's traffic, construction, or noisy neighbors, unwanted sounds can disrupt your peace and quiet. Old windows, particularly those with single panes, are not very effective at blocking out external noise. Upgrading to double or triple pane windows with advanced noise-reducing features can help keep outside sounds at bay. The multiple layers of glass and insulating gas between the panes act as a sound barrier, reducing the amount of noise that enters your home. This upgrade is especially beneficial for homeowners in urban or high-traffic areas who want to create a more peaceful and serene living environment. Improved safety and security. Your windows are a primary point of entry for both natural light and, unfortunately, intruders. Older windows with weak frames or outdated locking mechanisms can make your home more vulnerable to break-ins. If your windows are hard to open, stuck, or broken, they could pose a safety risk, especially in emergencies where you may need to quickly exit your home. New windows come with modern security features, such as multi-point locks, reinforced glass, and impact-resistant options, which can enhance the safety of your home. With advanced locking mechanisms and durable materials, new windows can make it much harder for burglars to gain access. Additionally, properly functioning windows allow for better emergency escape routes, adding an extra layer of safety for you and your family. Easy maintenance and durability. Older windows often require frequent maintenance, such as sanding, painting, or sealing, to keep them looking good and functioning properly. This maintenance can be time-consuming and costly over the years. Newer windows, particularly those made from materials like vinyl or fiberglass, require minimal upkeep. These materials are resistant to rot, warping, and fading, making them ideal for homes in humid climates like Mandeville. With energy-efficient windows, you can also expect better protection against weather-related damage. Whether it's protecting your home from the heavy rains of summer or the cooler winter months, durable windows designed to withstand the elements are a great long-term investment. Environmental impact. By upgrading to energy-efficient windows, you're not only saving money and improving your home's comfort but also reducing your carbon footprint. The less energy you use for heating and cooling, the fewer greenhouse gases are emitted into the atmosphere. By improving your home's insulation with upgraded windows, you contribute to energy conservation and help support a more sustainable environment. This is an important consideration for homeowners who are looking to reduce their impact on the planet and make eco-friendly choices for their homes. Conclusion. Upgrading your windows in Mandeville offers numerous benefits that go beyond just aesthetic improvements. With better energy efficiency, increased comfort, enhanced security, and reduced maintenance, new windows are a valuable investment for homeowners looking to improve their living space and save on energy costs. Whether you're seeking to increase your home's value, create a more peaceful environment, or reduce your environmental impact, replacing your windows is one of the best home upgrades you can make. With the right choice of windows, you'll enjoy a more beautiful, comfortable, and secure home for years to come.